That works. But, alright, what's up, guys? So, I'm gonna play chess with the company of my sister Sarah, my brother Aiden.
Oh, you already.
Okay. But, before we play chess, let's do something funny. Let's do a typing test real quick.
You suck at typing test.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Let's go. I think it's funny because my keyboard is really loud.
Johnny.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let me try.
Oh, I'm so bad.
Let me try.
You're still inverted.
I know. Guys, I look inverted, and I promise I don't look like this in real life. But
He
whatever.
does look like that in real life.
I spent like 30 minutes trying to figure out how to mirror the camera,
And he couldn't.
but I couldn't. Oh my god, I'm so slow.
Oh,
Oh.
I can get 100.
Okay, who goes?
What?
Ka.
I get easy 100.
Oh.
She's faster than you.
Oh my gosh! Try why are you so good?
They're practicing school in class.
Can't get a thing half on.
Maybe I should cut this.
Ooh, I messed
Hey,
up.
it's gonna sound like a machine gun.
You? Hey, but
Ooh!
you don't have your mechanical keyboard.
Doesn't matter. I practice on the school laptops.
Practice on these nuts.
Alright.
Oh,
Restart.
what are you doing? Why do you know the shortcut to restart? Oh my god. Hey, well,
I messed up.
I was having like two conversations at the same time. You know what I'm saying? What if I just tickle you?
I messed up.
Oh.
No way! Okay, I was gonna do it again, but not anymore. Okay,
Come on, let's just play chess.
let's just play chess.
I'll
Okay.
tutor you. Yeah, I'm the same ELO. She's the. I'm same
I'm
ELO.
low.
I'm 936 ELO,
I'm
which
250.
is not good.
I'm barely 1,000.
I'm
And
250.
I don't know any of the technical terms, but let's go. Okay.
Why is it so laggy?
Why is this so laggy? Where's this guy from? Singapore. I will not say anything mean just yet about Singapore. Why is it? Do you think it's gonna be super laggy, like on the video?
It is over.
What'd I do?
It's gonna be unpostable. Dude, it's just an opening.
I'm gonna do with Jar the Italian defense. Shout out Jar Jar.
You know, it's the Italian game, not the Italian defense.
Okay. So.
It's not a defense.
Oh my
Why?
god, what do I do? I'm scared.
Oh, push your knight if you're playing Italian game.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
What? Then I just lose my knight.
Go again. G5.
He's not. I'm gonna lose. I didn't open this up yet. I didn't open up my.
Oh.
If I just put it there, I would have blundered.
Okay, go G5.
Is that this one?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I see. There's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
You just.
Oh, it's like Battleship.
Oh, I do it.
Dude. Do what?
I mean, I could go there still. You can't take. I get a free pawn.
Go where?
Here.
You could take.
With the
With the.
rook.
Oh, I lose 2 pieces?
Yeah.
No, but if he takes with the rook,
Okay.
then
It's not
rooks
the
are more
dumbest
valuable.
decision.
Shush. I'm
No
936 ELO from the United States.
Okay, push back. Go back. Retreat.
No!
Where else are you gonna go?
Beth Harmon would never push back. So we only push forward.
No! No!
Okay, you're right. I'm scared.
Yeah, it would be mighty embarrassing if you lose your first YouTube channel.
Hey guys, if I lose this game,
You're
this is
cutting it.
not even like going on the channel.
It's not on the video, huh?
On the channel. Like, I actually...
Who are you talking
This is not going on YouTube. That's what I meant. No, what am I doing? Not really. Okay, I'm actually playing...
It is.
I'm actually playing Brain Dead right now.
You're actually playing Brain Dead?
Bro, I'm so behind on time. But here we go. Here we go. I'm actually behind on time because it's actually lagging.
That's an easy take for him.
Did I cast him? You guys aren't even in the frame. I wanted...
Why?
Guys, look, I got a new standing desk. Oh, it's fucked. Look. Oh, Dad. Oh, you're in a video.
Who playing?
I'm playing some Singaporean.
Mm.
Wait, what did he do? He went there?
Abakaba.
Hey, this is going... I don't even know what this is going on. Wait. Can I even post it now? What did he say?
You have to cut it from the video.
To bleep it.
Censor it and blur it out.
Oh my gosh, what is going on?
Cannot concentrate on the game.
I know.
He is too focused
I'm
on
still-
his YouTube
I'm
channel.
still gonna win. That's how good I am.
925.
Look. I'm gonna go here.
And? Do you have follow up?
Oh, we put him. Oh, he's thinking. Why did I put my hands like that? That's silly.
He's thinking about the lines.
But it's so tall.
I can't even take. Wait, yeah, let's take. I take, yeah. I'm taking.
Ooh.
That's a whatever move. Actually,
They're gonna report him for doing.
There's no talking. You're Beth Harmon's matches. Please.
it's only resigned here.
I win.
He wins.
Wait, he's just gonna go down here. I hate this game.
Go down where? Oh,
He's gonna go down here.
yeah, that was kind of a blunder.
I'm like not thinking, you know, I'm like kind of. I already knew.
Go to B1.
All around the clock.
B1. B1.
B1.
B1.
B1.
Then, guys, please. Please.
Now he's trapped.
What?
What is he?
He's gonna
actually?
check you. Oh wait, no, he can't.
He
He
has
is
to go back
trapped.
all the way back to D4, so he could take.
You can go back all the way to the
And
next.
when he takes back, you take that.
What?
What did you just say?
Okay, just trade, and then take on
What?
D7 with the rook.
So smart.
Guys,
B7.
wait. I feel like I should.
Thanks.
Yeah, you should castle.
Why do you tell me to do this? All around the clock.
I'm talking.
I got that young energy.
Okay, if he wants to trade,
Alright, on here?
That's my song for 2023. Horror. My god.
protect with your bishop.
I can't. I literally can't. It's
But
gonna-
you could use this as a
Oh.
eraser.
Yeah, this is rook there. Not bad. Ooh, how about you move the pawn?
Aiden, please. Move this up.
Yes,
I would just take with the pawn.
it's a brilliant move.
What?
We go all the way back down. We go all the way back. That's the move. I have 5:45 left. I'm literally gonna lose on time.
Time out.
Okay. If he pressures your... You should cast the next move.
Yeah.
Depending on what he plays.
I put him in the grave. He's so confused. He doesn't know what to do. Oh, now we castle. Castlevania.
What?
I don't know what he's planning to do
I
with that
don't-
move.
Oh!
I mean, if he moves that knight, he's pretty much dead.
I need him to move at night, bro.
Wait, I have a brilliant move.
He didn't. Please. Please. I basically
you
lose.
move-
I basically lose a pawn though.
No.
I need him to move the knight, so I could go here with my bishop. Like go to
Or how about you
F7.
play...
Does it show my mouse hovers on screen record? I don't think so. So they don't even know what we're saying.
Yeah, it does.
That's
no?
why you need to use your notation.
He doesn't have a mouse. I mean, he could still write.
I need to
but he
push
doesn't.
something up, bro.
Okay, make your...
I'm. What a nerd.
Yes.
Ka.
This does not look like a pleasing endgame for you.
Hit him. Look, he has nothing. Look at those rooks. I win. I know it. I win. I could see it.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be so. It's gonna be amazing. I literally don't care that you did that, though. Like,
What
wait,
was that?
right?
No. He's gonna take your pawn. I don't even know why you didn't take your pawn in the first place.
She's scared.
We lost already.
All around the clock.
What is the point of that?
Because I win. I win. I literally win. I literally win. He doesn't see it.
How?
What is this guy? He's 925. He doesn't.
Oh.
Look, I literally win. I literally win.
Pre-move, pre-move.
I literally win.
Pre-move it.
Oh my god. What time is it in Singapore? I'm gonna clown on this guy. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Guys, this was the first, I don't even, guys, I can't even talk. I'm so overwhelmed.
What?
First recording, first dub. Oh my goodness.
This is actually our 30th recording.
This is the first recording. I will show you the time. 2:37
We've been
a.m.
recording since 12.
January 2nd, a.m. Wait, how can they tell it's a.m.? Should I show them outside? Anywho.
No, I got the
Yo,
zero.
that was...
I got the 0.
I don't even think I got, like, any help from these guys. Bro, I mean, let's go through the analysis. Impressive. I mean, just a transition from...
Oh, 86?
96 accuracy.
I mean,
that's
96.
accuracy.
Who, me?
Yeah.
What can I say?
Because you're 844. so
Literally,
he's-
chess prodigy. Look at that. You guys see the book next to this pawn? That means it was textbook opening already from the beginning.
That's
Okay.
the most common opening. What are you
Look,
talking about?
I'm following the textbook, bro. Look, oh my god. Everything is textbook. No question marks. Oh, good move. That's what the check means, right?
Yeah.
Good move. Okay, he castled. So what?
That was the best.
Look,
Excellent.
to you guys who are new to chess, you guys are like, why would he push up that pawn all the way in the left? Like, that doesn't make any sense. I mean, that was critical. Okay, push up, like, thread in my, what is that? Red on my knife. Whatever. I'll put it back. That's the best move. You were so right. I was about to move up. Okay.
Bro, that's the only move you could do.
Look at me, just developing all my pieces.
You got all.
Like a great American. What? What did I say? Oh, great move. I take. You take. I move. You move. Oh, best move.
I thought of
You
that.
move back. Also best move. I take. You take.
Look at that.
I
line.
take. Guys, like,
Ooh.
you guys wouldn't believe me, but it's actually my first day playing chess.
How are you 944?
Castle, best move. I take with my pawn. He takes with his pawn. I take with my pawn. I mean, that's a bishop. He takes that. I take there. Questionable queen move, like you said. Why didn't he just take the pawn? You know, but that's what I do. I capitalize on people's mistakes. Move up there.
That's great.
El Brillianto move.
That's great.
That was brilliant. Great. I mean, yeah, it's a great move, but what does it say?
It literally says great move. The brilliant move has 2 exclamation points.
Oh. Or I didn't know that.
Kind of-
Question. You know what? Maybe I'm not so proud of this win after all. I mean, this guy was just not.
What time is it in Singapore?
Maybe it's late in Singapore. Okay.
Bro, isn't that like... Search up the time.
Okay.
I mean, what else can I say?
Search up the time in
That
Singapore.
was just textbook. The whole thing was just
Hold on.
textbook. I'm in
Oh,
Singapore.
okay, I was there.
Oh, sorry. What was it? You know, maybe he's just feeling hungry. Okay. Alright. That was a very good
Oh, there.
game. Very good.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
this was
toes.
good. Alright.
No, you have to play another one. Watch chess videos and more than one game. You know, chess videos is like at least 20 minutes
I know, but
long.
you know, I gotta like transition my channel into like.
Ah, you're right.
Alright. Annyeong.
No way you're ending the video like that.